Welcome to JH. PacificLife.com claims to be the ultimate guardian of your financial future, offering life insurance, annuities, and retirement solutions for anyone looking to build long-term security. But in a world where everyone is trying to sell you a dream, the real question is whether PacificLife.com is actually legit or just another shiny digital facade. Stick around as we peel back the layers, because you'll want the full details before you trust them with your hard-earned cash. The first positive sign comes from the internet's favorite court of public opinion, Reddit. Users there actually seem to like the place, praising its competitive rates and a smooth approval process that sometimes doesn't even require a medical exam. It turns out people really appreciate not having to be poked with needles just to get a high-value term policy. They also love the flexible conversion options, which are perfect for those who change their minds as often as the weather. Apparently, being a top-tier insurer isn't just a tagline they threw at a wall to see if it would stick. Next, we looked at their domain history, and it's older than some of your favorite memes. PacificLife.com was registered way back in December 1996, meaning it has survived the dot-com bubble, the rise of social media, and the era of floppy disks. Having nearly 3 decades of online history adds a massive amount of credibility, as most scams have the lifespan of a mayfly. In the digital world, being around since the 90s is basically the equivalent of being an ancient, trusted deity of finance. The company is also led by a transparent and very real leadership team, including CEO Daryl Button and Executive VP Don Benke. It's a refreshing change to see a company run by actual humans with resumes instead of anonymous visionary founders who disappear the moment you ask for a refund. This level of professional stability suggests they're focused on long-term customer trust rather than planning a quick getaway to a non-extradition island. To top it off, Pacific Life maintains a solid social media presence with over 16,000 followers who actually engage with them. While they aren't exactly reaching influencer status, it shows they're accessible and not hiding in a digital bunker. They also provide multiple contact numbers and physical office addresses for support. It's almost like they actually want to talk to you, which is a wild concept for anyone used to dealing with broken chatbots named Steve. So, is PacificLife.com legit? Absolutely. Based on their decades of operation, experienced leadership, and the fact that they don't hide from their customers, they are a reliable and customer-focused insurer. They've managed to stand out in an industry that's usually about as exciting as watching paint dry. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can stay updated on which platforms are actually worth your time.